Top 5 most dangerous natural phenomena on Earth revealed. 5. Tornadoes unleash devastating winds that can obliterate entire communities in seconds. 4. Volcanic eruptions spew molten lava and toxic gases, reshaping landscapes instantly. 3. Earthquakes cause the ground to violently shake, collapsing buildings and triggering tsunamis. 2. Hurricanes bring relentless rain and fierce winds, flooding vast regions and destroying infrastructure. 1. Deadliest of all, supervolcanic eruptions can trigger global climate disasters and mass extinctions. Subscribe now for more thrilling natural world insights.